Seniors, have you been struggling with dry, irritated eyes, feeling like nothing brings relief? Imagine waking up each morning and seeing clearly, without discomfort dragging your day down. Today, I am going to share 4 incredible oils that naturally keep your eyes moist, reduce dryness, and protect your vision in ways modern medicine often overlooks. Before we dive in, comment below and tell me which eye problem bothers you most. Is it dryness, blurry vision, itching, or burning? Sharing your experience will help other seniors realize they are not alone. The first oil is castor oil. If you are over 60 and feel your eyes constantly scratch or sting, castor oil can be a game changer. I remember Mrs. Linda, a 68-year-old retired teacher who had tried every over-the-counter eye drop. Nothing worked until she began applying a tiny amount of cold-pressed castor oil each night. Within a week, her eyes felt calmer and morning discomfort disappeared. Castor oil contains ricinoleic acid, a natural anti-inflammatory that reduces irritation and stimulates tear production. Seniors, if you have tried artificial tears without lasting results, leave a comment below saying castor oil because many will want to know how to use it safely. Next, we have olive oil, a staple in kitchens for centuries, but also a secret weapon for eye health. Olive oil is rich in omega-9 fatty acids and antioxidants that fight oxidative stress in eye tissues. I met John, a 72-year-old grandfather battling chronic dry eyes. Reading caused pain, and his vision seemed dull. When he added a few drops of high-quality extra virgin olive oil nightly, the difference was astonishing. His eyes became naturally lubricated, and the burning sensation vanished. If you are curious about the exact method John used, type olive oil in the comments so I can explain how to make it safe for application. Moving on to flaxseed oil, which may surprise many. This oil is packed with omega-3 fatty acids, vital for healthy tear production. Seniors often experience dry eye syndrome due to reduced tear quality, and this is where flaxseed oil shines. I remember Helen, a 70-year-old artist forced to stop painting because her eyes dried mid-stroke. After adding flaxseed oil to her diet and using a specially prepared eye serum, her creativity returned along with her comfort. Omega-3s nourish the meibomian glands, preventing tears from evaporating too quickly. If your eyes feel dry, even with regular drops, comment flaxseed oil and let me guide you on how to integrate it safely. Our fourth oil is coconut oil, known for hair and skin, but extraordinary for eye moisture. Coconut oil contains lauric acid, a natural antibacterial compound that helps protect against infections while keeping eyes lubricated. I recall Robert, a 75-year-old retired firefighter who suffered chronic irritation every winter. A few drops of pure coconut oil nightly changed his life. He could watch shows, read, and enjoy walks without stinging eyes. If you want the easiest way to apply coconut oil without feeling greasy, type coconut oil below, and I will share the method. It is not just about the oils. How you use them matters. Castor oil should be cold-pressed, pure, and used in the smallest amount to avoid blurring vision. Olive oil should be extra virgin, organic, and gently warmed. Flaxseed oil is most effective when fresh, stored in a dark bottle, and consumed daily or included in a homemade serum. Coconut oil should be fractionated or lightly melted. Using the wrong type or too much can cause discomfort. Many seniors make this mistake, and sharing experiences in comments is important. I also want to share a secret about combining oils for maximum effect. Mixing a drop of castor oil with olive oil creates a powerful nightly regimen that keeps eyes moist and strengthens the tear film. Helen tried this combination, and within 2 weeks, she felt like she regained years of comfort. Friends noticed how bright her eyes looked. Seniors, if you are excited about this blend, type mix oils in the comments, and I will show you exactly how to prepare it safely. Diet plays a huge role in eye moisture. Oils externally work wonders, but without nutrients, eyes can still feel dry. Omega-3 foods like salmon, walnuts, chia seeds, and leafy greens complement these oils. Seniors who eat these regularly notice their eyes stay hydrated longer. I met Frank, a 69-year-old retiree who struggled with dryness while reading. Adding flaxseed oil to his morning smoothie and salmon to meals ended his discomfort. If you want a daily meal plan that pairs perfectly with these oils, comment nutrition plan below and I will share it. Hydration is another secret many seniors forget. Drinking enough water every day is vital. Dehydrated bodies produce poor quality tears, and no oil fully compensates. Mrs. Laura, a 73-year-old yoga enthusiast, combined hydration, castor oil, and flaxseed oil, and dryness disappeared almost completely. Simple lifestyle changes with natural oils can transform comfort and quality of life. Now you might wonder if these oils are safe for everyone. Generally, they are safe when used correctly. Seniors with allergies should test a tiny amount first. Avoid any oil that irritates eyes or causes redness. Always use clean hands and sterile droppers to prevent contamination. Safety comes first, especially for sensitive senior eyes. Comment safety tips below if you want a guide on preventing irritation while using oils. Consistency is key. Applying oils once is unlikely to provide lasting relief. Make it part of your nightly routine before bed, so eyes absorb nutrients while you sleep. Many seniors see improvements after a week. I remember George, an 80-year-old engineer who was skeptical. After using coconut oil nightly, he could watch TV without tearing up. He said he regained independence. This is the kind of transformation possible with the right routine. Eye dryness affects more than comfort. Constant irritation can reduce social interaction, make reading uncomfortable, and affect mood. Helen and John said improving eye moisture changed their lives. They smiled more, engaged in conversations longer, and no longer avoided activities. Your eyes are windows to your world, and taking care of them naturally can improve both vision and joy. If you are still watching, I want to share one more tip. Using warm compresses before oils can increase absorption and stimulate tear glands. Soak a clean cloth in warm water, place it over closed eyes for a few minutes, then gently apply a drop of oil. This enhances effectiveness, and seniors notice immediate relief. Comment warm compress if you plan to try this tip so others can learn. Some seniors ask about combining oils with regular drops. Allow eyes to rest between treatments. Do not mix oils with medicated drops unless approved by a professional. After weeks of natural oils, many rely less on artificial drops. This reduces chemical exposure, saves money, and improves comfort. If you want a safe combination schedule, comment schedule below. Seasonal challenges play a role. Dry air in winter or prolonged screen use can worsen dryness. Seniors spending hours on computers or TV may feel persistent irritation. Using oils proactively can prevent discomfort. I met Robert, who used to wake up every winter with gritty eyes. After a nightly routine with castor and olive oils, winter no longer caused discomfort. Seniors, if winter dryness is your problem, comment winter relief so I can share a seasonal plan. Mental relaxation is another overlooked factor. Stress and fatigue reduce tear production, worsening dryness. Seniors practicing light meditation, gentle eye exercises, or breathing techniques often see improvement alongside oils. I met Laura, who combined eye yoga with coconut oil and noticed a huge difference in comfort and focus. Comment relaxation tips below if you want eye-friendly exercises. Long-term benefits go beyond reducing dryness. These oils protect tissues from oxidative damage, support meibomian glands, and enhance tear quality. Seniors who adopt oils early may notice slower age-related eye changes, brighter eyes, and improved vision clarity. Think of it as an investment in eye health for the years ahead. Finally, start slowly. Pick one oil, try it consistently for a week, and observe comfort. Gradually add other oils as eyes respond. Keep a small journal. Share your journey in comments because your experience can inspire others. Your feedback will help countless seniors discover relief with these 4 oils. Remember, dry eyes are not inevitable. Nature provides solutions that are effective, safe, and empowering. Castor oil, olive oil, flaxseed oil, and coconut oil can transform comfort when used consistently. Combine them with hydration, proper nutrition, and mindful routines, and you can enjoy life without constant irritation. Thank you for watching and taking the first step toward healthier, moisture eyes. Comment below and tell me which oil you will try first. Share your results over the coming weeks. Your story may give hope to another senior struggling with dry eyes. Together we can restore comfort, clarity, and confidence to every eye.